Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is Nyla. I'm here with Al today, and we're showing you a 1973 Ford Mach 1.
I know you're taking a bunch of pictures, Nyla, on the engine, but that's what this car is all about.
Sure.
It has a 460 cammed, polished, blueprinted big block in it, and it is really something else power-wise.
460
the
big
car
block.
has got an orange finish on the bottom of it. It's been wrapped.
Yes,
The guy
it's
just
wrapped
didn't want to
with
spend
matte
the money
black.
for a $10,000 paint job, but I got a great body underneath it, inside the trunk. All the body lines underneath the car is good, but the door jambs and stuff are orange because he didn't want to spend the money on the car. But the drivetrain, automatic transmission, that's the fun part about the car. It's a matte black wrap, good rubber and tires, and she kind of runs,
Looks
man.
super sharp.
The car's all about that motor, that's for sure.
Sharp. Just take a look at the inside. It is automatic. Looks to be most original interior here.
Yep,
But
if you want one's got a B&M shifter in it, if you want one that you can just really kind of, smoke the tires, knead them up, this is it.
Cool. All right,
Well, take it for a spin, eh?
let's do it.
Big block 460, completely built with a B&M shifter on it. Obviously, I can't, go crazy on it, but this car is just silly fast.
Cool.
Power steering, power brakes, stops it really good. I mean, you can light the wheels up as long as you can press on the gas pedal without panicking. It's quite the car for a drag.